This 5-minute solution will show you how to install Microsoft Excel on computer for free. Follow these simple steps to easily install and use Microsoft Excel on your computer. On your desktop, click on the search icon and type here Microsoft Store and launch the Microsoft Store. Once you are in Microsoft Store, click on this search box and type here Office 365. And here you will get this Microsoft 365 Office application. Click on it. And you have to install it from here, and it's free to install and use. Once the Microsoft 365 installed, launch it and you will get this interface here. Now to this left hand menu you will get Microsoft Excel, so click on it and now you can easily use the Microsoft Excel through this Office 365 software. Just click on blank workbook to start a new project. As you can see, my Excel is opening. And that's it. Now you can easily work with Microsoft Excel. This is how we can install Microsoft Excel on computer for free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.